Shoot ready.
Yes.
Stand by.
It looked good.
I get right person on team this fight. But like I said to you, and then maybe come back to where Keith is and then step forward, you can just walk out. For me, I
Fast, unload so clear, cylinder closed in.
That's not seated.
damn it.
Don't worry, Mark.
You ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Oh yeah.
Get off the damn wall.
Cylinder closed.
Shooter ready.
Yes.
Stand by.
That finished on.
Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by.
That fast, unload so clear.
Get ready.
Bags loaded and been sitting around all that.
Shoot ready.
Yes.
Stand by.
Hold back.
Whoa.
It finished. Unload so clear. Cylinder closed.